2022. This part of the video is the unboxing of the printer. It was actually filmed before I did the power on test. I just want to show how the printer was when I received it. It came in this box. Has I will probably ship it in this box. I have to clean it up. The previous owners, there's a lot of resin that's spilt on the inside of the printer. So now I'm going to power it up to do the power on test. June 2022. This video is for this FORMLABS model Form 2 3D printer. I'm selling it as is for parts or repair on different online sales sites. This is not a review or a how-to. I'm just trying to show how mine functions. It takes a while for it to power up, so I'm going to press the power button, plug it in to power it on now. Okay, just turn the power. I just plugged it in. It should be powering on in a second. Okay, it's powering on. It says FORMLABS. I received this printer from a dentist's office, and the dentist was upgrading to a printer that was more suitable for his industry. And when they boxed it, I'm going to pause to remove the camera. Okay, it's still saying FORMLABS. Now it's saying printer initializing. There was some movement on this tray. And it says ready to print. I guess that's one of the preloaded jobs that were on there. And I don't know much about this printer, so all I can do is press some buttons and show you how it functions. First, I'll show you it has one build platform already in it. When I raise the cover message will probably appear. Raise the cover, and the please close the cover message appears. It had one, I call it build platform, one build platform in there, and it had one build platform here. It says build platform 1, and it has this right here. It says clear mouth guard. I guess that's something that the office used. Now this, I assume this goes on the printer. I'm not sure if it should be there as it's printing or not. Now this printer, I received it in this box. I'll be doing an unboxing earlier. They replaced it with this model, a Sprintway, because it's a more desktop 3D printer designed for the digital dentistry. Now there's some resin spilled in the bottom of the box, which you probably can't see in this light. I will be shipping it in this box. I'll probably need some additional bubble wrap to ship it. So it comes with two build platforms, this tray, this top, which I believe which I'm sure goes over here. It fits perfectly. I just don't know if it probably doesn't go while it's being printed, while it's printing. Okay, so now all I can really do is press some of the buttons and show you that at least the keypad responds to the buttons. So I'm back to close the cover, and it has a job, I guess a preloaded job. So I don't know if I press print now, it will probably go through the motions, but we'll see. I just press print now, and it says using open mode, manual resin refills required. You can probably read that. Okay, pressing a heater and wiper disabled, pausing refill, so it's going through the motion. So I'm gonna press confirm just to see what happens. I'll have to do it by the button. I press the button to confirm using open mode, and it says preparing to print, and there is some motion. Okay, the build platform is lowering. Let me back up a little. The build platform is lowering. And it says time remaining 5 hours 7 minutes. So I assume if there was some material in there, it would start to build. Now the pause button, I'm not sure if that's a pause button activated or not. But I'm going to press pause just to see what happens. Okay, it says pause, resume. About print, see what happens. Nothing. Okay. Do not abort. Abort print. Okay, I will abort print. I'm gonna try to go through some of the other menus options. Aborting printing. Hopefully it doesn't take too long. Okay, initializing printer. There's some activity on the tray. Now it's raising the build platform. So the printer appears to be functioning. Okay, now it's the screen has, I guess that's another job loaded, but I'm gonna try to press, well, I can press the trash if I wanted to, but I don't want to. We know what print now did. Let's see what finish does. Well, I guess it's finished. Okay, so now I'm gonna press the this arrow button, which I think will bring up the menus. Okay, now you have these 3 menus here. I don't know exactly what they are, but I think well, let's try the top one just to see what it does. Open mode. You can press on or off. Can't scroll up or down. I guess I can press on or off if I wanted to. I press off to see what happens, but on seems to be the default, but I'll leave it on. And I'm gonna press which would probably go back. Press the second menu button. Okay, though, I guess because the second menu button, I assume, are the jobs that have loaded. The jobs that are stored on the printer, I guess. And you can scroll down to see the jobs that were there. Can go back. Gonna go back to, so this is the menu here. I assume this is gonna be the settings menu, and you press the settings menu, and you get okay, well, Wi-Fi Ethernet. Okay, I'm going to scroll down and see what we're not connected. It said not connected, I guess because it's not connected to Wi-Fi or the internet. Okay, I'm trying to see if it scrolls up on settings, but it won't. Let's see what happens. Okay, that goes you back. Okay, so let's try this settings, see what happens. Okay, you got the settings, printer info. So I'm going to press the printer info. You got the serial number, the model, firmware version, Wi-Fi address. See if we can scroll up, which it doesn't. I'm going to press the back button. Dashboard logging, register to dashboard, storage, reboot printer. Okay, let's press storage, see what that does. Okay, so storage says total space 1.41 gigabits. So I guess it has a 1.4 gigabit hard drive or storage device in it someplace. I'm going to press the back button again. See what happens. Printer leveling. I did that the first time I powered the printer on. Let's see what else we got here. Open mode, fine tuning. This stuff I don't want to do because it's something, fine tuning. It's something that the operator would do. I'm going to see what register dash to dashboard means. Check your internet connection. Something you probably have to do. Probably connects to, I guess FORMLABS may have. Okay, so this is the back of the printer. We have the power cord, an Ethernet connector, and a USB connector. As I said, there was some resin spilled, which I will clean up later. And I'm not an expert on this device, but to me, this looks like it appears to be some sort of reservoir. So it may be missing a part, the reservoir. Okay, that's basically all I can show you about this printer. Thank you.